Login failed on Cash App fix. If you're trying to send money, check your bans, or make a quick payment, nothing's more annoying than seeing login failed on Cash App. The good news? It's a common problem with simple fixes you can do in just a few minutes. Most people assume it's their password, but the surprising truth is that Cash App login errors usually come from device issues, security blocks, or outdated app versions. Let's go step by step to fix it fast. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Cash App. Outdated versions often cause login problems after new security updates. Go to your App Store, search Cash App, and tap Update. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak signal can block Cash App from verifying your credentials. If that doesn't help, clear your cache or reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Cash App, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This refreshes your session and removes corrupted data. Here's something most people get wrong. If you recently changed phones or SIM cards, Cash App might flag your login as unusual. To fix this, make sure you're logging in with the same email or phone number linked to your account. If you get a too many attempts or account locked message, wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Repeated failed logins can temporarily block access for security reasons. Also, avoid using FBINs or public Wi-Fi when logging in. Cash App often restricts access from suspicious or shared networks. Finally, if you've forgotten your password or can't receive a verification code, go to Cash App Login on your browser and click Forgot Password. Follow the steps to recover your account securely. Once you've done these checks, update, clear cache, confirm your info, and disable FBIN, your login should work again. So next time you see login failed on Cash App, stay calm. It's usually a quick fix, and within minutes, you'll be back sending and receiving money smoothly.